So this is going to be my unboxing of the MEMO Whiteboard wallet. It's a notebook wallet combo. Says MEMO New Things Lab, that's the company. And then it's hard to see because it's in black with like a little highlight whiteboard in a wallet. And I saw it on an Instagram feed. You can note, draw, list, holds up to 6 cards, has an RFID reader and a pen that fits inside there. So let's open it up and take a look. Shipping was really good. They also send with everyone, I think, 4 extra pens. I don't know how long the pens last. And they kept me updated all along the way with regard to the shipping. I think the shipping was free. And why did I get this? Because if there's anything I need to write down, if I want to carry the wallet with me, I can. And I'm still a little bit traditional. Oh, this is pretty cool. It opens really solid open and closes pretty solidly. It's not necessarily small. It's a little bit what I'd call big. Let me get a tape measure and tell you the dimensions. They say when it's opened it's 6 inches. Sorry about the light. More subscribers and all. 4 1/4 by 2 3/4. If you go from here, because there's a little bit lip where the whiteboard goes, and it's about 3 inches there. But when you open it up, opens up pretty solidly. It's supposed to be 5 1/2. And then from corner to corner, it's 6 3/4. So, comes with a pen here. And it's designed in the Netherlands. I think they ship it from the Netherlands, but it's manufactured in China. Although if you look at their videos, it looks like they're, this is an eraser on one end. And somebody would say, why do you need this? So I think you can stick the cards in here on the side. Let's get a card and try sticking one in. Here we go. Okay. And let's see if we can get a card in here. So the card is there. And then if you want to take it out, just there. Holds in there pretty well. I thought it'd be a good idea if I go to the supermarket and I don't want to pull out a piece of paper, I could just pull this out. So I want grapes. That's pretty good. Lemon. Bread. Okay, I can wipe it off with my finger if I need to. And close it up. Open it up inside there. It's pretty good. Let's try wiping it all off. Oh, that's not bad. I think some people wrote that it's smudged a little bit. Oh, okay. But easy to remove. Okay, and then this goes inside here. Okay, so this will come out pretty easily as soon as you open it. This is going to come out, so it's not like it's stuck in there and going to stay in there. Oh, well, it will. It will if you put it in correctly and you know what you're doing. There's one that has a lip and the side that doesn't. So if you put it in there, it clips there and clips there. It's like product designers there. And then we've got the card thing. And it holds up to 6 cards, but I'm usually when I go to the supermarket. So, not bad. I can always pull this out. And if I'm thinking about something and I have it with me, it's a little bit cold to the touch. Not cheap. It's a little expensive. But so far it looks okay. Okay, let me tell you quickly. I've only had it for a couple minutes, so I haven't used it yet. My wife asked me the question of, are the carbs going to fall out? So I told her I don't think so. So let me put a card in here. You can see that a card won't fall pretty good. So I don't worry about that. And the other things to note, just first impressions, the pen has a strange fit, but you have to remember this soft part goes up, because if you try to put it up like that, it's a little weird to get it out. But if you put the eraser part down towards the bottom, it automatically creates a little fit there. But you can see this is weird. This is a little strange, but it creates an automatic fit there, and then it will stay in. That will stay in. So it's a bit heavy, but maybe you can hear that's what's holding it down there. And as you can see, it will hold it in pretty well. So it's not going to jump out, and pretty good. So the RFID feature is nice. It's a little bit bigger than I expected, but you can get it inside your pocket. I gave you the dimensions, and seems okay. Okay. Over time, so it feels a bit heavy, but maybe I'll get used to that over time. I'm not sure. What else? But see, I can keep my notes right here. It's not necessarily comfortable in your hand because of this edge, but I guess there's no choice but to have the edge. There's nothing really like it on the market, other than walking around with like a piece of paper, and that's what people have done. This is like, I like wallets. So this is a comfortable wallet. It's leather, but it's pretty comfortable. It feels comfortable in your hand. Comparable size. You see, it's very similar in size to a wallet. You know, very, very similar in size to a wallet. But I can open this up, keep, if anybody carries cash ever, ID and 2 cards. I can put some stuff back here. But with this, I can put, they say 6, so 3 on each side. So I can put like my driver's license on one side and 1 credit card, because that's all I'm carrying. They did give me the 4 pens, which was very nice. But maybe it's the cold metal in my hand. It's not, and it doesn't give. This gives a little bit, so it's a little bit pliable, but I guess that's why people they've been using metal for a long time too, in addition to leather. But it just feels different. Maybe I'll get adjusted to it. I love the fact that I can write something on here, because I think I will use it. She's like, oh, you're going to use it? Yeah, I think I will use it. And it's a bit big for the pocket, but when you compare it to this in your front pocket, this will feel like, okay, it's a wallet in your front pocket if you carry a wallet. This is like you're carrying a piece of metal in your front pocket. It's different because it's aluminum, I think, and it's just different. But I think it will work for the use. Just have to remember to keep this side down, and I can easily erase this. So people saying that this erases, yeah, it will erase if you run your finger over it, but if you keep your fingers off of it, it'll hold whatever you write on there will stay there. That stays on pretty well. Will stay. So you can close it. Let's put this back. Open it up easily, but if you put your finger there, you're going to lose it. So you don't want to put your finger on there. That's just kind of commonsensical. But it's a great idea. I mean, the idea and the concept are great. And I think I will use it for short ideas, to have everything in real time, because sometimes you can't get your phone out to type. So hopefully this helps.